Okay, we're going to go through the Matsuri or Festival Jiuchi. So this is basically right, right, left, right, left. That's the full phrase. Right, right, left, right, left. So let's have a go with that first. Ichi, ni, so, re. Right, right, left, right, left. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. And ni, so, re. So we're going to have a go at playing 4 in a row. So it'll be right, right, left, right, left. 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 Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Okay, we'll try and speed that up a little bit. Right, right, left, right, left. 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 Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Okay, so now we're going to look at the emphasized beats. The emphasized beats are the very first beat of the phrase and the very last beat of the phrase. So you've got louder beats at the beginning and the end and 3 quieter beats in the middle. So for instance, right, right, left, right, left. So again, the sticking right, right, left, right, left. And with the emphasis, right, right, left, right, left. Or don, doko, don, kon. Don, doko, don, kon. So let's try that. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. So for each of the emphasized beats, try to use a nice flick of the wrist or a snap of the wrist to deliver a little bit more power and volume to those first and last beats. The 3 beats in the middle, keep it actually quite close to the skin of the drum and try to just tap them out in comparison to the louder beats. So a couple more times. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Okay, let's play 4 of those in a row. Ichi, ni, so, re. Okay, so when you play these back to back, you have an emphasized beat on the right at the beginning, emphasized beat on the left at the end. So when you join them up together, you'll end up having two emphasized beats back to back. So your brain will try and tell you that the start of the phrase is on the left-hand beat because it feels like it falls into that scenario. But we want to make sure that we're still aware that we're starting the beginning of the phrase with the emphasized beat on the right hand. Okay, so let's try that once more. Ichi, ni, so, re. Okay, so let's try that a little bit faster. Keeping the sticking right, right, left, and playing the emphasized beat on the beginning of the phrase and at the end of each phrase. Okay, so right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left. 4 times through, and ichi, ni, so, re. Ich, ni, so, re. Ich, ni, so, re. Ich, ni, so, re. Okay, we'll speed that up a little bit. This time we'll play 8 iterations of the phrase. So, don doko don doko don kon, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Ichi, ni, so, re. Okay, for those who want to give it a try, here's one faster still. So we'll still stick to 8 iterations of the phrase. So, don doko don kon, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, ich, ni, so, re. And ni, so, re. And ni, so, re. And ni, so, re.